Hello, everyone. Welcome to this class. Today we're in Unit 4, Class 1, and we're going to speak about the past of these famous people. Do you know these famous people? Who is, for you, a singer? Is it Oprah, Taylor Swift, Quentin Tarantino? So, yes, very good. Taylor Swift is a singer. Who's an actor? Which one is an actor? Yes, Benedict Cumberbatch. And who is a football player? That you know. Of course, it's Messi. Who is a director? Quentin Tarantino is a director. And who is a TV presenter? Oprah. She's like Susana Jimenez in Argentina. So let's see how much we know about the past of these famous people. You have listened to an audio to check their past. So, if we take some sentences from the audio, we know or we can say that Oprah's parents were very poor when she was little. She was a millionaire at the age of 23. Benedict Cumberbatch was a teacher, interesting, and Taylor Swift's grandmother was an opera singer. So, if we pay attention to these words here, was and where, they are used to talk about the past. They are the verb to be in the past. Remember that the verb to be is, are, am. And we use it to speak about states and to describe, but this time in the past. Was is used for the singular, that is I, she, he, and it. And where is used for the plural, that is you, they, we, and you plural. So here we have some examples in the negative. We use was not or were not or wasn't or weren't. That is for the negative. This is in the affirmative. And when we want to ask a question, we have to move was and were to the beginning of the sentence. For example, Oprah's parents were poor. This is an affirmative sentence. Was Oprah poor when she was a child? Yes, she was. Or no, she wasn't. Were Taylor Swift's songs about her life? They weren't famous in the past. So, what about vocabulary to talk about the past? We need to talk about years. For example, my nephew was born in 2003. He was born in 2003. So when we talk about years, we use the preposition in. I was born in 1985. And then we can speak about months. We also use the preposition in. I was born in July. When were you born? And then we have some expressions. Yesterday. I was tired yesterday. Or last night. 2 days ago. Or 3 weeks ago. Last week, last month, last year. We can also speak about years only, days of the week, last Friday, or special dates. For example, on July the 6th. So we use the preposition on for the date, the day of that we are talking about. So now you can use a dictionary to go and check the meaning of these time expressions to talk about the past.